Man, so we're back at the shop. My car still wiggles and it pulls to the right, so my buddy that owns the shop is gonna drive it and see if he can like feel out why. Everything's lined up, but it just doesn't, I don't know, it just feels weird. No more camber on the back, so at least I know that's not the issue. And we're getting his car aligned as well, so he can run more camber in the front and get this thing to sit right. This is the shop. Backdoor Tires, Norwood, Massachusetts. Just coming in to ask for Wheezy. Say Marco sent you with the FRS. Yeah, so.
I can run it up and fuck it up. I got all of these racks on. I just cheated on my main bitch, but my side coming in.
Alright, so I swapped the tires. These were the old front tires, and it seemed I switched the front tires from left to right and right to left, and I got the pull on the left side instead of the right side, so it was definitely the tires. So we just swapped these tires on, which are a lot better, in a lot better shape. We're gonna see if that helps it out. Finally went for a test drive. After swapping the front tires, this thing runs perfectly straight now, finally. So tires make a huge difference, especially running -7 degrees of camber. Those tires, I guess, were just trash, so I'm gonna keep them for burners. I'm gonna get some wheels for the back and, you know, be able to saw through those, doing burnouts and dumb shit. But for now, the alignment's good, the tires in the front are good, tires in the back are good, suspension's all even. Now we're good to, you know, do some cosmetic stuff. I definitely need to buff out the car. I need to repaint this door. I don't need to repaint it, but I'm gonna repaint it. And I'm going to polish the front lips. I was gonna rebuild the front wheels, but I kind of like how it's set up like that. So I'm gonna buff those and call it a day at that. Ant's car is finally done. What do you mean that's it? That's damn near fucking perfect. Yeah, because that's kind of buckled in. This shit looks mean, bro. This shit is fucking mean.
You was right. You look like the front now.
Hell yeah.
I'm definitely happy with it.
What is it? -9 in the back, and what's on the front?
6.
Damn. -6 in the front. Yeah, that shit looks fucking mean. That shit looks fucking mean. Yeah, this is Ant's Legacy GT. I'll link his Instagram. And that's my piece of shit. Right? Good shit.
I'll take a... What did you say? I said I'll take a... Huh?
I heard his order, Mr. Krabs. He said he was...
Huh?
Pulling out the coupe at the lot, Tony fuck 12, fuck SWAT, busting all the bells out the box. I just hit a lick with the box, had to put the stick in the box. Pour up the whole damn seal, I'ma get lazy. I got the mojo deals, we been trapping like the 80s. She said the nigga so, got the cash app. Told him wipe a nigga no, say slash. I won't never sell my soul, and I can back that. And I really wanna know where you at, where I was at back, where the stash at. Cruise the city in a bulletproof Cadillac, cause I know these niggas out there where the bag at. Gotta move smarter, gotta move harder. Nigga try to give me 5 mile water, I lay his ass down on my son, on my daughter. I had the Draco with me, Dwayne Carter. Lot of niggas out here playing, ain't ballin'. I done put my whole arm in the rim, Vince Carter. And I know Poppy get a key for the quarter. Shawty barely seen the double C's, I bought her. Got a bitch that's looking like a Leah, she a model. I got the pink slip up my whip.